5 suspects indicted for capital murder for the death of 9-year-old Cailee Knight appeared in court today.
Yeah, it's almost been a year since little Cailee was killed in a drive-by. She was sleeping on her couch. Our Ariel Mallory in the court earlier today. And
Ariel, you found out whether prosecutors will seek the death penalty.
Yeah, I did, Lenise and Cameron. Now, the state said it will not seek the death penalty for any of the 5 defendants behind me. Now, District Attorney Keith Blackwood made it very clear his office won't be cutting any deals as they seek justice for Cailee.
This is a completely tragic case where a child lost her life, and it just didn't have to happen. So we're going to seek justice. We're going to do everything that we can in our power to make sure that all 5 of these defendants are convicted.
All 5 defendants accused in the murder of 9-year-old Cailee Knight were arraigned in court this morning. We've learned the state is not seeking the death penalty for the 5 accused: Ariel Curry, Tyrone Williams, Darius Lucky, Ricky Thier, and Amaya Bance. For the first time, we're seeing 17-year-old Bance, who was the last to be indicted for capital murder. She was extradited from Texas earlier this month. Cailee was shot and killed last December during a drive-by shooting on Rhett Drive while she was sleeping on the couch, a factor that District Attorney Keith Blackwood says qualifies as a capital murder case.
When we try these cases, when we try death penalty cases, we have to consider about 30 years worth of appeals. And so we felt that it was important to be on good legal footing so that should we get convictions in these cases, they would not be overturned.
Blackwood says the victim's family was in agreement with the state's plan to seek life without the possibility of parole. Cailee's mother was sitting in the front row, visibly emotional, as the family wore purple in support of Cailee. Prosecutors have said Cailee was not the intended target and that the shooting was the result of an argument revolving around gang activity with her 16-year-old brother. Blackwood wouldn't go into detail on the relationship between the brother and the defendants, but says they had communication before the shooting.
But we do believe that there was some contact between the brother and some of these defendants that precipitated what happened.
Now, 4 of the defendants, Williams, Lucky, Thier, and Bance, are eligible for youthful offender because they're under 21. Blackwood says they plan to fight it. Live right now in studio, Ariel Mallory, Fox 10 News.